Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name is Dylan. Thank you so much for coming by. In today's video, I'm super excited to tell you about a brand new company for gig workers that is providing gig workers, I'm talking Uber drivers, Lyft drivers, DoorDash drivers, etc., with cash advances. So if you're ever behind on your bills and you need a little, time to make that money to pay your bills, Ivycard is going to help you out. And I do have a link below which you can sign up right now and get free cash advances for life. They have a special promo for a limited number of people. Obviously they can't do that forever. So if you use my link right now, you'll lock that in. And I wanted to just go over it with you guys because I think this is an awesome new company. I already had a meeting with them and they told me, one of the founders told me, like, in full transparency, he said, look, like, I came from a family of gig workers. Like, my parents were gig workers. I understand the trouble of sometimes you just don't have the cash and you need to pay for your gas, that day to just make an extra few bucks to get you by to rent. So in between that time, you don't want to go into credit card debt. You don't want to do this. So they'll give you cash advances. And again, right now, you can get that free, no fee cash advance. And they will have some fees in the future, obviously, to just, pay for it. But they seem really awesome. And I'm gonna sync up my phone here so we can go over it together and review it. But it's called Ivycard and I have my link below. And let's get started. So this is the Ivycard beta. It looks like they do have a card that you can actually receive, I believe. I'm not exactly sure, but that's what it kind of looks like here. It says get up to $100 to support your gig business when you need it. All you have to do is click the link below. It takes 5 minutes. They do no credit checks, which is awesome. That's kind of outdated at this point. Credit checks, with the whole gig economy and everything. You can enter in your email address, and you can see it works for DoorDash, Instacart. They got Uber, Lyft on here, Grubhub, Uber Eats, and look at this. You get $100 from Ivy. No fees forever. The first, according to their website, 100 approved users get free cash advances on the Ivycard forever. It's really that simple. No service fees for the first 100 users, no penalties or other hidden fees, and no credit checks ever. How awesome is that? What brings you here? What do you need the cash advance for? Utilities, rent, get funding in 4 easy steps, apply online, get approved. We'll send you notice of approval in 24 hours. Then you accept the funding, confirm how much funding you need, and set up your payment schedule. That's amazing. Get funded. We'll send you a pre-loaded virtual card instantly and a physical card in the mail. Oh, wow. Let's expand access to the American dream. Workers shouldn't have to choose between flexibility and peace of mind. Ivy Growth is committed to improving the financial well-being of the gig economy workforce. Ivycard is a Visa commercial card issued by Celtic Bank, a Utah chartered industrial bank. Okay, very interesting. Funding for your Ivycard is provided by Ivy Growth, financial technology company based in the US. So they are a United States company, which is awesome. The Ivycard can only be issued to cardholders who are residents of the United States and who have a verifiable physical US address, no PO box. Ivycard only used for commercial purposes and not used for personal, family, or household use. No credit decisions are made. And the Ivycard is prepaid with the merchant cash advance, which is a commercial purpose, blah, 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 blah. Yeah, just want to start that off. Read that really quick, 2022 Ivy Growth. So anyways, wanted to just let you all know that this is available for gig workers. Again, if you're an Uber driver, Lyft driver, this could be a great solution for you in a time of need. And I've been there. Oh, and another reason why they are doing this is to avoid overdraft fees. Because have you ever gone negative in your bank? And it's like, oh, you actually went negative $7, and then all of a sudden they charge you a $35 fee. Yeah, I've gotten that several times, and it's like, bro, I'm already down $7. Now you're gonna make me down negative 40? Like, come on, you're hurting us while we're down. I mean, I get that that's how they have to operate and make their money, but it's like, if you want to avoid going negative, like Ivycard could be that solution, and you could actually save that $35. You know what I mean? And it's like, I forget what the data is, but on average, people pay those overdraft fees quite often, and those are usually the people who need the money most. So it's like, I don't know, kind of backwards in my opinion, but I understand that's how they need to operate. So anyways, want to make this quick update. Let me know if you have any questions. I'm sure the team will be looking at this video in the comment section, and I'm sure they'll take it as feedback. They are new, so just keep that in mind. They're not a billion-dollar company that's been around for 20 years. Like, they're a new company that's committed to helping gig workers. So literally says for your gig business. And yeah, guys, thanks for watching. Let me know your thoughts, and I'll talk to you all very, very soon. Bye now.